Python Game Development Training Intermediate Level. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Python Game Development using Pygame, and the level is Intermediate. The difficulty level of this project is Intermediate. To do this project, you must have the following skill set. You must complete the beginner level first. You should be clear with Python basics, and programming knowledge is expected. The objective of this course is the students will understand the features of the Pygame. They will understand the implementation of advanced graphics. They will also be able to develop a mini-game application. What you will learn at intermediate level? You will learn how to accept the user inputs, how to create and load visuals, how to create different graphics rectangle like clip, inflate, move rectangle. You will learn about images like how to load them, move them, rotate and scale them or flip them. You will also learn about different fonts, text, cursors, different colors, and at the end we will learn how to animate the object. What are the project prerequisites? Core Python knowledge is expected, completion of beginner level, and design skills. Now, target audience is participant working in IT sector, programming and game enthusiast. By the end of the project, you will have the following skill set. You will have hands-on regarding game development. You will also learn how to implement the Pygame features. And finally, a mini-game implementation.